Chapter 8. Okay. Matrices and system of linear equation. Here we discuss types of different matrices. These are the review content for you. You see yourself, but mainly focus on diagonal, upper triangular, lower triangular, and skew symmetric matrix. See yourself. And solution of system of linear equation by row rank method. What is the rank of matrix? Rank of augmented matrix or rank of coefficient matrix when matrix system consistence. Okay, when system consistence यो कुराहरु तिमीले matricesमा हेर, right? Later we'll discuss. These are the content to be covered in our discussion. One review of the matrix, which I said already. Okay, highlight types of matrix. Among them, diagonal, skew symmetric, upper triangular and lower triangular matrix. Beside system of equation, consistency of system of equation, mainly you see from row rank method. पहिले हामीले पढिसकेका छौं, so these are the review part. Later we discuss solution of linear system of equation from LU decomposition, tridiagonal and iterative method. In iterative method, mainly we discuss Gauss-Jacobi and Gauss-Seidel method. Okay. Now we discuss vectors and vectors norms. Why we discuss here vectors and vectors norm? Later I will say you what is the norms of matrix. Everyone know matrix and vector, but here we discuss what is the norm of matrix. Okay, you know two-dimensional coordinate geometry here. You know in origin 0, 0 and some distance from origin also. 1, 1, 0, 2, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 2, 2 or so on. The distance between a vector and the null vector is measure of the size or length of vector. Like your red line देखिरहेछौ, this is the point 0, 0 button point. A button point is 1, 0. The distance between them means size of norms or length of the vector from origin to vector point 1, 0. Okay, see the red line 0, 0, 2. You know the vector's definition. Norms of the vectors means this length. The button length is 0, 0. Upper is our desired vector, like x vector. The point is 1, 0. X comma y. No, 0, 1. Ordinate ma 0, 0. Vertical line so 0 comma 1. Okay, the distance between a vector and the null vector is measure of the size or length of the vector. This is called norms of the vector. तिम्रो mind मा recall भयो कि भएन? Highlight two-dimensional geometry. मैले यही लिए. This is the y length here. This is button length, x length, button. See here. This is x. This is y. This is the origin 0, 0. I choose the point from here, that is 1, 1. This is the vector x, like the distance between the null vector 0, 0 to this point 1, 1. Okay. This is norms of the vector. It gives the size or length of vectors. Just size or length of vector. Okay, the norms of vector x written as this sign. देखिरहेछौ? Okay, Kumar, देखिरहेछौ? Norms of the vector is denoted by this. Is a real number which satisfies the given condition. Always norms greater or equals to 0. Okay, Suyog? Suyog? कोही बोलेको छैन. अनुभव? अनुभव बोल त.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. म क्वेसन सोध्छु हाइलाइट गरेर ल. भेक्टर्स नर्म्स हामीले भनिसक्यौं 0, 0 भेक्टरदेखि हामीले अजुम गरेको भेक्टरसम्मको लेन्थ हो वा साइज हो. दिस इज द norms of the vector. अजुम गरेको x भेक्टर छ भने what is the norm of this x vector? मैले ह्यान्ड रेज गरिराखेँ.
Distance between origin to the vector.
Very good. अब हामी यहाँ गइरहेको छौँ norms always greater or equals to 0 when the norms of any vector equals to 0 answer दो when it is 0
मैम त्यो ओरिजिन में हुँदाखेरि
good very good answer मैले सुयोगबाट खोजेको थिएँ उसले अनम्युट गरेन anyway I'm happy answer पाएँ ठीक छ very simply norms always greater or equals to 0 norms equals to 0 if and only if we have 0 vector okay if ax norms of ax equals to a means यहाँ अल्फा लेखेछु मैले anyway a नै हो वा अल्फा नै मान्न some constant हो absolute of some constant times norms of this हुन्छ for any real alpha or a for any real number okay it never equals to negative भनेको कारण हामी absolute of a गर्छौँ any real number लाई okay यो properties हरु for the vectors x what is the norms x1 x2 to xn we have this vector norms the some useful norms one norms we call this as one norms absolute of x1 plus absolute of x2 plus absolute of xn we call this n norms this norms two norms we called it as Euclidean norms you red line हटाओ Euclidean norms you know from origin to any vectors को length or size भनेर थाहा पाइसक्यो it never negative but we can find if x be any vector its norm find from this formula we call this as one norms तिमीसँग भएको vector x1 x2 x3 को sum absolute sum called as one norms two norms is also called Euclidean norms or xe we denote like this also how can we find Euclidean norms square root of x1 को whole square plus x2 को whole square plus xn को whole square okay we usually use Euclidean norms we have another norms maximum norms or uniform norms see here uniform norms equals to absolute of xi को maximum okay absolute of xi I represent the row okay I represent the row question तिमीहरुलाई नै रेज गर्छु है highlight this if we have x vector x1 x2 x3 okay x equals to 1 comma 3 comma 4 what is one norms how can we find okay according to formula x1 को absolute means 1 को absolute plus 3 को absolute plus 4 को absolute okay either negative छ भने absolute of this will be positive हामी यसरी नै क्याल्कुलेट गर्छौं what we have 4 3 7 plus 1 easily we can find one norms no confusion okay two norms 1 square plus 3 square plus 4 square co square roots we can calculate Euclidean norms what will be the maximum norms or uniform norms maximum I xi okay absolute of xi को maximum term maximum element increase के भन्न सक्छौ absolute of 1 absolute of 3 absolute of 4 which one is correct Sulochana which one is okay
Ma'am 4
very good 4 next we have x equals to negative ma'am like confusion होला भनेर लिइरा छु x equals to -2 -3 -4 okay we need to find x1 x2 and our uniform norms norms n one norms equals to absolute of 2 plus absolute of -2 plus absolute of -3 plus absolute of 4 okay this equals to Ashish Shrestha, roll number 61. Ashish. Ashish, be unmute.
Chat box में yes sir.
एस ओके च्याट बक्समा एस त्यसो भए तिमीले मैले त्यो च्याट बक्स हेर्दिन अहिले एनीवे टु नम्स यो सेकेन्ड प्रब्लमको वान नम्स कति हुन्छ भन त
मैम 9 अरे
ओके फाइन ठिक छ धेरै राम्रो कसले एन्सर दिइराछौ अरे भन्ने एन्सर
निर्मलले मैम
ओके ठिक छ अब हामी जान्छौँ टु नर्म्समा टु नर्म्स सिमिलरली -2 को होल स्क्वायर प्लस -3 को होल स्क्वायर प्लस 4 को होल स्क्वायर को स्क्वायर रूट राइट पावर 1/2 ओके अब प्रकाश मैसेज नलेख बोल है रोल नंबर 62 what is uniform norm of this problem x equals to -2 -3 -4 this vector x vector
root under 29 ma'am
no I ask uniform norms see here
uniform norm
absolute of xi यो रो को each absolute मा maximum xi चाहिँ हाम्रो यूनिफॉर्म नर्म्स हुन्छ -2 को एब्सोल्युट -3 को एब्सोल्युट र 4 को एब्सोल्युट व्हिच वान इज द ग्रेटेस्ट 4 देखियो 4 हो है
4 को
4 प्रकाश
yes ma'am
4 भनेको हाम्रो यूनिफॉर्म नर्म्स और मैक्सिमम नर्म्स हो आई थिंक इट इज इनफ फर यू अब असाइनमेन्टमा हेर्न सक्छौ म डिस्कसन अर्कोमा जान्छु वी हैव मैट्रिक्स नर्म्स द नर्म्स अफ द मैट्रिक्स A equals to Aij is non-negative number denoted by this A be the matrix. The norms of matrix A is denoted by this sign, you know, like is vectors norms and defined by 3 matrices norms. We have 3 matrices norms, one column norms or one norms. This is Euclidean norms and this is row norms. Okay, हामी डिस्कसन गर्छौं कसरी डिफाइन गर्ने इज यू नो the norms of matrix is a non-negative number denoted by this and one norms we called it as columns norms that is maximum of j sum of I aij यसको मिनिङ के हो हामी डिस्कसन गर्छौं प्रब्लममा हेर्छौं I represent row j represent column see here maximum of j but how to sum A matrix को how to sum of I row हरको sum let's see the examples we have the given matrix A 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 we see 1 2 3 row 1 2 3 column let's discuss one norms or column norms हामीले के भनेछौं maximum of j भनेछौं j को maximum but how to add them कसरी एडिङ गर्ने सी हियर कसरी एड गर भनेछ हरेक रोलाई सम अफ आई कोलमहरुको समको मैक्सिमम बट हाउ टु एड देम सम अफ आई कसरी एडिङ गरिराछ लेट्स सी 1 + 4 + 7 1 + 4 + 7 फर्स्ट कोलमको रो 1 रो 2 रो 3 सी हियर 1 + 4 + 7 कमा